Barrel rolled is the reporter thrown into the secretive world of the Forex Super Model, where nothing is as it seems. Beware the techno-monk, and steer clear of Professor Code and his two assistants. Give the senior trader a wide berth, and don't expect any sense from the risk manager.
Good morning, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Super Model daily briefing for Thursday, 25th of the 3rd, 2021. Time is 0455 GMT, where Asian session coming to a close, European session firing up, our lunchtime North American US session. Right, yesterday, Wednesday the 24th, we had a negative opposed driver in the pound at -128, front and back door flows, mainly going into the dollar at +115, into the yen at +59, and the euro was the negative rock at -46, activity ±174. Right, intra-week then, this is from Monday the 22nd open to about 15 minutes ago. We've got a, I haven't written it up, so we've got a negative opposed driver in the pound. We've got a negative rock in the euro, positive mover in the yen, and a positive secondary driver in the dollar. So front and back door flows mainly going into the dollar +218, yen +118, euro negative rock at -27, and this is activity of 336. Right, finally intraday then, this is Thursday, this is the Asian session to about 15 minutes ago. We've got a negative opposed driver in the yen at -89, a negative, so front and back door flows mainly going into the pound at +51, into the euro at +44, and the dollar is the negative rock at -6, activity ±95. Right, what's going to knock it about then? We've got Thursday then today, we've got a rates decision for the Swiss National Bank. We've got speeches by ECB, Bank of England and JPY, and we've got US GDP. So, the only note in the background is that the national team, which is basically their version of the plunge protection team, has been believed to have been buying up Chinese stocks. So we've got a bit of market manipulation, propping the market up there. Right, so let's clear this off and have a look at what's been going on in the wider flows and asset classes. Now our trades come back a little bit. We're about 2,400 to 2,500 points in profit. Anyway, we'll talk about that in a minute. Right, euro, this is the full complex euro, 7 pairs, is strong except against the pound, the AUD and the NZD. The yen is weak across the board. The pound is strong except against the AUD and the NZD. The Swiss is weak except against the yen and the dollar. The CAD is weak except against the yen, the Swiss and the dollar. The AUD is strong across the board. The NZD is strong except against the AUD, which is stronger, and the dollar is weak except against the yen and the Swiss. Right, so you've got yen weakness, we've got AUD strength across the board. Take your pick in the middle, but basically you're looking at the Asian session is starting to maneuver to full risk on, equities up, commodity currencies up, etc. We've added to our AUD dollar position. And you're likely to see dollar weakness going forward. Right, anyway, what else? Let's get rid of that. Right, so US dollar index basically broke the resistance, came back, it went above that, and it's now back there, just at the new resistance point. So gold's looking like that. It's about 0.25 from the model floor. Oil's basically operating about 0.3 from the high. We've got that container ship wedged in the Suez Canal at the moment. They should be able to sort that out. Wall Street, basically it broke the high and it's come back. The S&P, if I could write, S&P broke the high just, it's now sub high, and the tech never broke the high and it's operating sub there. So what else we got? We've got US 10-year on the bonds and the bund. Right, the US 10-year is operating about 0.33 from the floor. The bund is operating about 0.5, so half marks. So that's the spread basically between the US yields and the European yields. Remember, this is price, so the yields are reversed out. Right, copper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, it came back to the second pump, went back to base camp, messed about, and is now operating at 1.75 pump. So it's at the lows for a while, copper. But we expect to see copper charge forward today, next few days. Right, US steel. They sold it off at the double top, and it's actually at 0.6, 0.6 from the high, or 0.4 from the floor. So it's weakened further, but it's ready to come back, we reckon. Right, so just finish off then. Right, so there's a fair bit going on. You've got lots of speeches, lots of data. Yesterday was quite a big day today, mixed. The market really is just messing about at the moment. Right, so we're long AUD dollar, we're short NZD against the euro, the pound, the CAD and the AUD, and we're about plus 2,400 points profit at the moment. We've added to the long AUD, so we've got ×3 on that trade now. Expecting AUD dollar is not a highly volatile pair, but it's about mid-ranking, similar to the euro dollar really. But some of these are a real mover. Anything with the NZD is a real fire bucket. Right, so hope that was useful. Hope the trading is going well. See you tomorrow for the daily briefing. Thank you very much.